There's nothing for you. There's nothing for you.
Where'd you guys get that frog from?
Scentsy. It's a
Who?
Scentsy part.
Kim? Explain
Mind
the
your business. So it's the burner behind you.
Oh,
penguins
oh, you got penguin. Oh, how cute.
Oh, look at Chris the
Oh,
penguin.
those are darling.
Your Auntie Chris likes the penguins.
You got it. I can't wait to see you.
That's
in them.
darling.
Is that Chili Willy?
Oh. Here, Mom.
Oh, wait, no, there's more in that bag.
You do?
What is it? It's
It
big.
has to be set.
You know those bags you can reuse.
Throwing them away.
Oh
Not the
no.
bags. You don't throw bags away.
Give them to Mom for reusing.
What is it? Some shoes?
Save them for Randy's and hers.
Shoes? I don't know.
Oh, somebody's got some new shoes.
Uh-oh.
Get some flip flops. Oh, space boots.
Oh, those are
Cute.
I like those.
Oh, I
let me see.
love them.
Let me have those.
I
No,
I
I want
love
those. Let me
those.
have those.
I